Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And let's see this beautiful. I am running out of vocabulary. And let's see, the orange is good. And all the citrus starts to be good. Oh, wow. This is and this is blackberry, a blueberry. Blueberry is coming up. Oh, oh, we have hard time to zoom into the particular flower bud. This one, this one. Can you? Can you? Can you do it? No, maybe too close. This one. Oh, wow. Look at it. Look at it. Our Buddha's hand. Ooh, gugu. What are you doing? See the Buddha's hand and bougainvillea. Oh, wow. Another year, the bougainvillea almost dead because it was too cold. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, no, it's not bougainvillea. This is this pink flower and olive tree. Oh, oh, this is so lovely. Oh. I think this is a mandarin. This might be, this one is mandarin and this one is Buddha hand. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful. Oh, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And this is a little bit strange. The dog and. It's our neighbor's dog. And our neighbor, it's warm time, so everyone is outside, motorcycle and everything. But I just want to enjoy this beautiful afternoon. And I want to do this outside. I came back home. Hello. Okay, maybe I should. Let's see, gugu. Gugu. Minu is not taking it very well. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. I do not understand any of the dog language. I do not know what is happening there. But cuckoo. Minu. Okay. does the dog has any problem? So the other day, during the during a live stream, one friend asked, "Do you have Tony Foster's book?" Okay. I said I do not have, so I guess maybe this friend is thinking about it. Whoa, look at it. Wow. Wow. This is such a careful. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Wow. Wow, look at it. Tony Foster. The other day, have not yet opened. Wow. Wow, this is so touching. So touching. So maybe I should, as a respect, that I go inside and take a look at it without the barking dog. Okay, and this is so wow. I am so speechless. And Tony Foster, I have visited. Okay, let's get inside. Anyway, I do not know what is happening, and the dog suddenly stopped. And Tony Foster is a British artist, watercolorist, and there is a museum of his work, particularly his work collection in Palo Alto, in my 5 minutes, 10 minutes drive from my place. And it's quite interesting that his work from England came to here, was collected by one of the local couple, and they had a museum for it. And I visited. His art style is that he used the least material, and he paint in real place. He look for the places with less people, with no people, and he goes into true nature. Some of these places looks fantastically beautiful, but it's quite inhabitable because the condition sometimes short of water, sometimes too much rain, sometimes too cold. And he had a style of painting under the sea even. So he had a water bubble and water bottle and the oxygen bottle, and dive under the sea to paint. Okay. The dog, I think the dog is a little bit excited with all this. We will go take a look at it inside, but I'm sincerely very, very touched by this kindness, and it's beyond me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.